Alright, I just got another Zippo. Now, Zippo does not make too many white bodied lighters. I got one, and it's a nice one, so let's take a look at it. Comes in a normal Zippo box, nothing special about it. And the back says Trevco in spades. And it is a white bodied Ace of Spades. And you can see the Trevco logo down there. 2010. This is a really nice one. It's got a good sound because it's on a brass body. And it was made in J of 11, which is October. So it's about 2 years old. Fires up real nice. That is a white matte Zippo. And the insert is steel. And it was made in the same month, same year, J of 11. So that is going into my, I'm not sure where that's going. But that's the Ace of Spades Zippo. It's a really nice one. I'll find a place for it in my collection. Knuckle bump.